We're two hitchhikers. We met while hiking Mount Baldy with mutual friends, wasted no time, got engaged on a frozen alpine lake, got hitched, and have been adventuring together since. We're embarking on a new adventure of living big in a tiny home. Let's see how this goes.
Adventure awaits.
What you doing there?
Breakfast.
Of champions.
Oh my God, they're so good.
Why, Jimmy? Well, here goes. The guys are headed out for some muddy fun.
Phew, here we go. Look, Mom, one hand. Looks like we're making life choices right now.
So, I'm already glad we didn't bring Natasha. And the problem is there's a rut in the center.
Yep, I see it.
You gotta get to the left of it, okay?
All right. All right, here we go. Well, I'm not gonna record that, so wish me luck. Oh my gosh, this place is wild.
Let me get up here a little bit. You back up some, yep.
This is quite the adventure.
It's not even the hardest pass yet.
Oh my God. All right, we'll see if we can catch that one. All right, let's see if we can get past this.
After seeing all of this footage, I'm definitely glad I did not join them that day.
Oh my gosh. Good thing I have tight shoes. Oh, that's gonna be a tight one.
Well, normally there's more rocks here and we can go over the bike. Looks like things have been moved since we were here last. But,
This is possibly doable.
yeah, but then we got to get up onto this rock right here, which you can't carry the speed because you catch the end of it, you lose your tire. If Jairo was here, I would try it.
Well, we have winches.
So you have a winch.
Okay.
No, I have. Well, one of us has a winch.
We both do.
But the winch up front. But I don't think it's passable. once you get into here, you're not getting back out.
Watch me.
You want to try? Fine with me.
Okay, hold on. So getting through here, it's gonna be a womp 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 womp.
You gotta be up in that dirt a little bit.
Yeah.
And then you're into here.
This rock is gonna
we can
be.
move this one rock. Maybe I can get this one moved a little bit.
This
Here,
one.
yeah.
All
Lay
right.
down a little bit.
So how about this? If we come here and then we reverse it into here and then go this way. This way.
Oh.
I'm stupid enough to try it.
Yeah. What time is it? 4 something?
Yeah.
There's no way we're doing it.
All right.
We're stuck right here in the dark.
I don't want to be in the dark.
Yep. Because
I
then
heard-
Jairo sends out a search party. You can't get here in the truck.
All right.
This is the hardest of the passes.
Okay.
Unfortunately, we can't today.
You hear that, folks?
But did you get pictures of this?
Can't do it. I got a video. You know what's funny? As we were coming down this hill, I was telling myself, oh, thank goodness this is a downhill. I can't imagine going up this thing. Well,
Congrats.
congratulations, Ruben. You get to go back up. Okay, back up the gnarly hill we go. Oh no. Are you gonna try to go home?
Stuck.
Jairo!
Well, you look normal right now. Yeah, looks like you had some fun.
Had plenty.
Those socks were not long enough for you.
Yeah, no, actually, I got stung by something here and it burns pretty bad.
Was it fun though?
It looked like a wasp. Hopefully, it wasn't one of those like egg-laying wasps. A worm growing on my leg, that would suck.
Why do you have to bring that up?
Because they're here, they got these kind of things.
Evening brought on more thunderstorms, which made for an incredible pre-dawn mix of mist and diffused light. Waking up both relaxed and recharged comes easy here. Opening these giant slider doors brings the outside in and makes you feel that the tilapia and turtle-filled lake is literally at your feet. The open feel of this guest house continues to bring the outdoors in, from the bathroom to the bedroom, the full kitchen, and living room. Even after the muddy adventure that the guys had, Ruben wanted me to see the trail and thought that I could handle it. So even though it rained all night, after a little rest, he took me out on this trail to see it for myself. And he wanted me to stay on the back. Winch time.
You can sit right there.
It gets dry right there. You're in the last one in the back.
I know.
We didn't get nearly as far as the guys did on the previous trail ride, but I still had a great time.
got me pretty good, babe. You look well decorated yourself.
Well, this covers the major highlights of all the muddy fun we had riding ATVs on the roads and on undesignated trails in the rainforest of Costa Rica. The next part of our Costa Rican adventure will take us to the Pacific side of the country, where we get to explore Punta Arenas, Jaco, and then jump back to the rainforest for some natural hot springs. Look out for another video in a couple of days. Thank you so much for watching. We know your schedule is busy and full, but we love sharing our adventures with you. Pura vida!